You don't have to be an expert on state licensing in order to bid and buy at Copart. Knowing your state's licensing laws is a crucial part of the buying process. Some states restrict who can bid on wholesale and salvage cars, while others welcome all types of buyers. For example, if you wanted to purchase a vehicle located in Maine, you need either a business license in order to bid or the assistance of a broker. You can view each state's licensing laws on our Help with Licensing page. Simply click the state to view the licensing requirements. If you are eligible to bid, you can jump right into the auctions.